What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back in that video, and today we are looking at the Edifier Neobuds Pro. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you get notified when this videos come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. So let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. So basically, this was a brand new earbuds. You know, for those of you who are looking for high-res audio, it has low latency, high definition audio codec, deliver high resolution sound. There's also the hybrid active noise cancellation technology, and then there's also the clean and clear voice for using it for phone calls because it has 3 microphones. It would also have 24-hour battery life, and it is IP54 rated. Right now, the Edifier Neobuds Pro is still in Indiegogo. I'll link everything in the description below so that you guys can check this out. But basically, if you go to their Indiegogo website here, you'll be able to see all the features in depth. And actually, you will get a discount if you get it today. Instead of paying $130, I believe you can get this for $100. There are also different discounts as well, and it gets bigger the more you back it up. Right there, 42% off as well. So there you go. Be the first to have the world's first high-res earbuds. Now let's go ahead and show you the inside here. How to unbox. Ooh, that's nice. There we go. This is our Edifier here. On top here, as you can see there, a little mesh, kind of like the soundproofing design there. Let's open this guy up. As you can see there, the Edifier buds up here. There you go. And then the little tray here for the earbuds, really nice. There's also the little plate right there. It says 25th Edifier, just like an anniversary thing, you know. We got some bunch of literature right here. It also comes with a charger, which comes with a charger right here. USB-C, very nice. It also comes with a little pouch like that, and some silica gel. Don't eat that. So that's it for the box. Let's put this on the side right there, and then let's check out the earbuds. There you go. Those are the earbuds right there. I think it's really nice. Now here's the casing here. I really like the design of this. A brushed metal there. The inside is pretty basic. It has a button in the middle there so that you can sync it with your phone. There's also an indicator light in the middle there. Very futuristic style. On the back, there's the USB-C slot and also the Edifier logo there, which is really cool as well. Now the earbuds has this brushed metal on the outside, really cool design as well. No buttons though, but it does have double taps and triple taps, which gives you different options on controlling modes. It is also equipped with 3 mics, which is really good for phone calls so that you can have those clear sounds. Another feature of the Edifier Neobuds Pro there is you can take off the buds right there, and it comes with multiple packs right here so that it'll fit your ears perfectly. It's really good. I usually have small ears, so we're gonna go with a really small one there and test it out. They go, really easy to install. Let's go ahead and fit those in our ears. There we go. Let's do the other side now. Yeah, fits very well. This is what it looked like on my ears there. There you go. Let me know what you think of that. And then we'll do a shake test as well. Let's see if it'll fall down there. It won't fall. Usually if I shake my head like this, great for the gym as well. No wires there, right? Pretty cool. Go to our phone, go to settings, and then go to Bluetooth. And it should pop up right here, Edifier Neobuds Pro. Pretty quick. There you go. Let's go ahead and listen to some songs here. Let's see what we got. Let's do some Lecrae. We're gonna have it on halfway here for the volume. Oh, that's good. Let's go full blast.
If you notice here, the sound is not leaking from the earbuds even though it's full blast. That means the earbuds fits your ears very well.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'm really feeling this one. It's pretty good. Go to our music now. Let's double click on the left side. That's the ambient sound. There you go. Oh, yes. Ambient sound means I'll be able to hear the other people around me. My voice is clear as well when I'm talking, so that's pretty cool. Let's try this again. Double click again. Now with the high noise cancellation, this is really nice as well. Really muffles everything out and it just focus on your music. Really cool. Now with triple click on the left side, it is game mode on. So for example, you're playing a game, you'll have that really clear sound for your games there. And then you'll be able to use the mic as well when you are using voice, when you are talking to your friends. Really nice.
Now I tried using this with the Call of Duty mobile there, and basically you can hear footsteps left, front, and center, so it's pretty cool. You'll be able to hear the enemies there. As you could see here, I was able to see 3 enemies here and get a triple kill. That is really cool. So again, if you are using this for gaming, you will need to just turn it on like that so that you'll be able to get the enemies and hear them right there. So that's not bad at all.
Now let's do the other side now. Double click on the right side now. We'll play your song. Let's do that again. So you guys can see, there you go. It paused my song there. Really nice. Let's do triple click now. Now with the triple click, it'll hit next track, which is really good as well.
Now I love the timing of the Edifier Neobuds Pro here because actually the Apple Music has lossless quality sound now. If you want that high definition, if you want to get the full amount of the high definition sound, you will need this kind of earbuds because every other earbuds won't give that to you.
And that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new earbuds. This one is Edifier Neobuds Pro. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and check it out. I would recommend this for people who want premium sounds, high resolution sounds for your gaming, and also if you want high resolution sounds for your music. It also has hybrid active noise cancellation, which is really cool feature. Go ahead and check this out in the link down in the description below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.